Hello. So I got an Instapot today. I got it from Kohl's and I'm going to unbox it. So I just wanted to make a video. Maybe it is helpful for some. So I'm just cutting it. What is it? Side. Okay, I got some coupons. Okay. So other than this, let me now open it. I'm pretty excited. Oh, okay, because I got a very good feedback of this thing. And let me see how it is. So here is the box. Okay. Okay. This is the manual.
Instruction.
Okay.
Yes. I know.
Okay, this is the guide, and I think there are all the instruction and warranty card.
I told you that.
Okay, and this is the extra. I think this is the extra gasket. The power cord.
There is no one.
Okay, so here you go. Okay, it's a pretty big thing. Nice. Let me put it right here.
On the gas.
There is nothing else, so I'll put the box down. All the packing goes down. Okay, here you go. Okay, what it says, quick release button. Okay, I really need to read a lot because I've never used it. So this is the lid, and then this is some more instruction. Okay, this is the pot which goes inside this. Okay, yeah, so this is the pot. Pretty heavy. I think there is a tri-ply layer at the bottom. We also got a few more stuff in here. Okay, this is the rack. Oh yeah. Okay, so this rack, you can put it inside. Okay, I guess, yeah, so this is the one. Yeah, and that's it. So this is all we have. Now I'll make other videos about the recipes using Instapot. Okay, so that was it. This is the unboxing. Thank you so much for watching.